Let's be real. Taking care of your body should feel good. Smoothies, they're my go-to for glowing skin, gut health, and that natural energy hit. It's always given quick, cute, and nutrient packed. One sip and you're nourishing your body and your vibe. So yeah, drink up and thank yourself later. And I want to say welcome to the Smoothie University. Okay, welcome back. So we outside again because it's nice today. So class is in session. So make sure you gather yourself, okay? We're making a smoothie, as you can see. Mmm. Right? You see our ingredients? We got some interesting stuff today. But of course, I'm going to bring it over there to you so y'all can see a full close-up of what we got. But today, the smoothie that we're making is called, hold on, a Pomegranate Peach Smoothie. Right? Sounds interesting. So, yes, I'm going to come over there and show you the ingredients real quick. Hold on. Let me tuck y'all in. Listen, the tuck-in is different today. Y'all gonna be in my neck, but that's okay. So we have some ice cubes. Can y'all see that? My ice cube got some fruit on it. But we got some ice cubes. We got some frozen peaches. And we got some pomegranate juice. All right. All right. Let's make us a smoothie. Right, y'all say y'all wanted smoothies. I told y'all this is what I do. I just experiment and stuff, and I'm working on putting recipes together. So this is good practice for me because you have to measure so that y'all can know how to make y'all smoothie, right? Right. Okay, so we're gonna start off with a cup of pomegranate juice, all right? So that's like 8 ounces, right? So 1 cup. Pomegranate juice is so good, y'all. I didn't know it was this good. I was like, ooh, ooh, ooh. All right. Put all my peaches in here. Just dump the whole thing in there. So they saying add like some ice cubes or whatever. So we gonna add some ice cubes. Now I'm gonna tell y'all this, cause y'all know last time we did a smoothie, right? And it wasn't sweet enough for me. The pomegranate juice is sweet, but I'm gonna add I think you add like, wait, I'm gonna add some honey, but I'm just letting y'all know as far as the ice cubes, I think it's like 5 or 6 ice cubes you should add. And I got me some honey. Hold on. So I'm hearing this is honey product because somebody told me like this ain't real honey, but whatever. We gonna use some honey product because I just want it to be a little sweet. So you just gonna put like a little swig, nothing crazy, just a little swirl, and then we gonna blend everything up. All right. Okay, hold on. Right. Smoothie. Hi. Okay. What y'all think this gonna taste like? This joint probably gonna slap. Cause yeah. Ooh, I think they like me. I think they like me. All right, guys. So let's try this. Oh no, I like this. Mmm, this good. Y'all gonna like this one. Okay. Y'all definitely gonna like this. This is really good and refreshing. I love it. So I'm gonna leave the ingredients below so that y'all can try this. Mm. Yes, sir. Cheers. Thanks for watching.